AI agents continuously book sales calls and climb the ranks of the best sales team member in every company they work. And you can too hire an AI SDR to automate the majority of your sales processes and generate a ton of revenue. That's why today I want to give you a demo of Kalendar.AI, explain how it works and what it does, and why it could be the last piece of the puzzle you need to successfully grow your company. So let's begin. Kalendar.AI might seem like any other AI SDR agent, but once you start using it, you'll notice that it's not like any other AI SDR, and you'll see why in the demo shortly. Okay, it has some similarities. The overall structure is of course the same. After all, it's an AI agent. Calendar has a huge list of leads it can reach out to. It picks the best ones based on your instructions, reaches out to them, and books sales calls. That's how every other AI agent works. So without further ado, let's start the demo so you could see what's different. Onboarding Kalendar.AI is relatively simple. First, you input your company's information, stuff like company logo, your company name, sales intent, share the company's proposal with unique selling points, add a couple of reviews to be used as social proof, so on and so forth. All of the information you add here will be used to craft personalized messages to each prospect that Kalendar.AI reaches out to, and the logo you uploaded will be used for branding, while all other information you added will be used to craft personalized pitches and continue the conversation between your prospect and Kalendar.AI. All of this you see here is used by Kalendar.AI to become the best member in your sales team, so make sure you do it diligently. Next, you need to share details about your ideal customer. We call this ICP, or Ideal Customer's Profile. You let Kalendar.AI know the roles of your targeted audience, their location, industries, and company size. All of these inputs help Kalendar.AI pick the best leads from its 200 million lead database, focusing only on prospects that have the highest buying potential and only reaching out to leads that ideally match your ICP. And now this is where it gets interesting. Completely on autopilot, without you lifting a finger, Calendar will go ahead and start doing cold outreach. The whole email infrastructure is built and set up by Calendar, so you don't even need to do anything. It will even automatically generate personalized messages that you can review and edit, by the way, and reach out to prospects for you, pushing to book a sales call, personalizing the messages based on your prospect's information and the information you put in about your company. Stuff like unique selling points, custom and relevant CTAs, and even case studies. And once AI succeeds, gets a positive reply, that's when this AI agent takes a huge turn. Remember how I said Kalendar.AI is a lot different than every other AI SDR? Well, this is where you can notice the difference. Instead of slowly chatting over email, Calendar does something very clever. It pushes every lead to a personalized chat that's custom for every lead. And now, instead of taking hours between each reply, the whole conversation is live. Your prospect can ask any question and Kalendar.AI will answer them, handling objections, sharing case studies, and eventually pushing to book a sales call. This is genius because, as you know, the longer it takes for you to reply to your prospect, the lower the chance of you booking them or closing the deal. So Kalendar.AI eliminates this huge issue that most likely costs people thousands of dollars in lost opportunities and replaces it with a live chat that's designed for your prospect, reducing the time to book a call, eliminating any errors you get on email, and boosting your conversion rate. And while all of this is happening, you get a huge overview via Calendar's dashboard or by connecting it to your preferred CRM, so you can monitor and enjoy the amazing results generated by Kalendar.AI. Of course, it may not be smart to run to the first AI SDR you see. That's why I suggest before you commit, compare Kalendar.AI to other popular AI SDRs like 3 ones here, 11x, Artisan, and AI SDR, to determine which one of these is the best for you. Or compare Kalendar.AI to Agent Frank, an AI SDR built by Salesforge. Subscribe and peace!